Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, let me show you what we will be doing here. We'll be working on a BMW 3 Series guys, generation 2005 to 2013, and we'll show you how to remove and where to locate the Immobilizer module for the key, or actually known as CAS module, CAS module. So let me show you how to do that now. In the meantime guys, the whole video about the replacement will be listed on our second channel, World Mechanics. If you just type World Mechanics, EWS CAS module, you'll be able to find the video, or in the description of this video. Check it out. Now, where that module is located now, you have to do quite a bit of disassembly. You can see that cover there is actually covering the pedals here, and it will need to be removed. Once you remove that cover, right here on the side you will have the CAS module, the Immobilizer module. It will be right behind, right there, and it will be standing up like that. Now, some people try to access it through the window switch, but we have that foam there, you can see that black foam, so we couldn't do that. So that's where you can expect to locate it. Now it has two connectors, this big one right here, and it has that little one on top. Both of them are for the EWS module, so you will need to disconnect those before you pull it out, or you will damage your wires. Now the module is mounted like that in the car, and there is one bolt right here with a 10mm wrench, so that bolt will need to come out, remove it all the way, and when you remove it you need to slide the module just a little bit to the left and pull it down. You slide it to the left because it has that glide right here, and that glide is the one that goes on the side bracket and holds it up. So that's how you guys remove it. In the meantime, we have more than 200 videos on this car, so if you need help with anything, please drop a comment below. We'll try to make a video, and check out the channel guys, and please subscribe for all the work we do. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.